Hello, fellow gardeners. I'm Keisha with Country Garden Oasis. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am beyond excited. I'm always excited. Anything gardening, I get all, goo goo gaga. But today, from my folks that are from the tropics, you will understand why I went to Logi's today. I have another video, which I will put the link, full-length video on my tour in Logi's. So Logi's is located in Danielson, Connecticut. We are a Zone 6B. However, this greenhouse is like leaving winter and going to the tropics. It's like incredible. I'm covering my eyes because they're a little swollen and puffy. Something got in it. But anywho, today my friend and I took a trip out there. It's about an hour away from where I live, but it was well worth it because I walked away with some beautiful gems, some things that I'm going to be putting in my greenhouse. And I am so excited because I feel like a kid all over again, because so many of these things that I got took me back to my childhood in Jamaica on the island. So anywho, let's start with my first plant. I'm gonna put my glasses on because y'all know I can't see. I got a Musca double Mohari dwarf banana. This is a dwarf plant, so obviously we'll be able to keep it in the greenhouse year round, and we can get some banana, guys. I am ecstatic about this. I can't believe here in New England I was able to get a banana tree in January, because it's not even February yet when I'm making this video. So I'm super ecstatic about this. This is going in the greenhouse pretty soon. That's a whole nother story. I have to give you guys that backstory. This guy, I'm really excited about. This is my mango tree. So for all my friends that are like, oh my gosh, I now have a mango tree. I don't know how long it will take for me to get fruit, but the reviews, and I have instructions on how to care for each and every one of them. This one is called a Nam Dak Mai mango. The roots, the stems, oh my God, look at that. It's so sturdy. The leaves are green and healthy. I'm really excited about that. And if I grab my little handy dandy instructions here. Listen, Logi's is so great. While I was there, they printed specific instructions for every single one of the plants that I got today. And so I know how to care for every single one of them if I can figure out which one's which. It tells you lighting, temperature, humidity, watering, fertilizer, pruning, insects and disease, how to deal with that, and any special comments. Every single one of these have that. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So I'm back. I don't know if my audio is going to be any different. My mic went out. I tried to record twice. We're just going to do this. All right, so we're going to get into the next plant. I am truly happy about getting this plant. This is my day avocado. And for you Jamaicans, yes, it's pear. I am really happy about having this plant because many of you that follow me know that I grew an avocado from seed about 4 years ago. I was halfway there to getting fruit. And in our greenhouse, we had portable heaters, but the temps have been below zero. It's been insane. So I came home from vacation and everything in my greenhouse were dead. It was so cold. So we decided we're gonna start over. I'm not gonna grow an avocado from seed. I can't wait for 4 years. So when I went to Logi's today, I got me an avocado tree. Yeah, I'm cheating. We're gonna start the process midway, but I'm very excited. Look how nice this is. The glossy green leaves. I'm going to transplant it into a terracotta pot. I'm hoping I could find white terracotta. The guy told me today it's the one mixed with marble because all my pots are white. So I didn't want to do the traditional terracotta pot. So I'm very excited. We're gonna put the HVAC into the greenhouse and I'll do a tour once I put all my plants in there. But for right now, Mama's happy. This may be going into the potting shed because I do have a heater in there, but it's such a small space. It's about 70, almost 80 degrees in there. It's wonderful. It's warm because there's not enough sunlight in my office for them. So I think it may go to the potting shed. My final plant is an amazing plant for me. For all my Jamaican people, I got a June plum tree. Ah! Can you imagine? A June plum tree here in Connecticut. I am so delighted. I'm so excited. I don't know how long it's going to take for me to get some fruit, but just having it, I will be babying it and taking care of it and making sure mama's baby is growing. It should grow about 4 to 6 feet in a pot. So the max height of my ceiling in the greenhouse is 12 feet. So I'm not worried about capacity and can I hold it, because I can. This made my day. This really made my day today. And it's funny, when I was searching for avocado trees online before I went to Logi's, my husband said, do you think they have June plum trees? I was like, I don't know. So we got a June plum tree. We're both excited about this. So the other thing, I'm going to source some more tropical plants. I won't tell you the details of it because I want to see if I can get them and then share that joy with you. But there's so much excitement coming on the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We have the garden at home. I'll be showing you how I do things, how we grow, how you can learn a lot. I'm learning a lot. I have so many farmer friends. I'm a new farmer. Last year we started our farm. We did amazingly well. I'm excited about this year. I already purchased my seeds, so there's a seed haul video coming soon. I'm super excited about that. And I'll be doing winter sowing. So, I have plenty of videos that I'm going to be making. We're going to keep it simple, quick, giving you guys bite-sized, getting the information out there. If you have any suggestions, please feel free, drop a comment. I'm always here to help. I'm very excited. Thank you. Until next time, have a great day.